Hello YouTube, this is Eric from Talk, and today's video we're gonna end up going to a car meet in Huntington Beach. I was about to say Huntington Park. It's not Huntington Park, it's Huntington Beach. Anyways, and we're also gonna end up going to Little Tokyo. We're gonna add a little food blog in there, hopefully. Anyways guys, let's get this day started. Hey YouTube, we're here in Huntington Beach. We're about to walk into this car meet. I'm starving. Like my friends over here, we're all starving. Anyways, this is our first car meet. This is like my fourth car meet. Anyways guys, I had to park the car outside.
Hey guys.
Fuck no, I do not want to pay $15 for parking. So basically, it's either I pay parking or I eat, and I really want to eat. I'm pretty hungry. Anyways guys, here we are. Alright guys, so where is it? Anyways guys, anyways, go car here. What up? There it is. Nice. Anyways guys, we're back over here with these non-car guys. Yeah, it's so long. I know. Anyways, we had to walk like a mile to get to this car meet, right?
Of course. Walk a mile.
Yeah. Alright guys, anyways, there's NSX, there's a Supra, Mod 4. Into this car vlog, anyways, it's pretty nice. There's so much awesome cars here.
Why am
There's stance cars, which is pretty cool. You got Subarus, you got NSX, you got every type of car here. We got sports cars, super cars. It's pretty nice right here. And also we got common sedans, right? We got Hondas. I haven't seen a Ford Mustang though, honestly. New Edge. I haven't seen it. Ooh.
All these cars different, they're pretty much worthless.
Alright, we got an S2000 over here. Alright, now we're gonna bring my car inside, paying the $15. $16. Why? Because there's a thing of 31st anniversary new Mustang over here, and it's just as good condition as mine. That down. I'm mad now. Should have brought it in here, guys. Anyways, guys, we're still at this car meet. It's pretty cool. There's people at the beach, at Huntington Beach. Finally, I say it right. But anyways, we still got a lot to see here. So I'll be posting that montage, or whatever they call it, those video segments. Pretty sure the car meet ends here, and then it's like normal cars over there. But unfortunately, we got normal cars here too, with good cars like this car over here, which is a Nissan 370. Pretty nice too, right? You got nice, it's just nice. Should have brought my car inside, bro. Kind of mad about that. Seems like my friend just said. Anyways, no, I don't like Lambos. Alright guys, well, guys, it seems right on me, so I'm doing it. Anyways, here goes, what is it? Good publicity, I guess. Alright, it's really here to help me know that.
know what, man. You know what, man. You know what.
Slash those tires.
Alright guys, this is the ending of the car meet. Well, not the ending of the car meet. Anyways, we're going to Little Tokyo to go eat. Hope to see you guys. Well, hope you guys last until that point of the video. Anyways guys, now we're gonna go off and car back was just left. Anyways, alright guys, we just came back from eating and well, now we're just passing by, walking around Little Tokyo just to like check it out basically. Anyways, Little Tokyo is a pretty nice place. So there's not a lot to see from a camera point of view, but it's a lot to see when you actually come here, when you're actually in this place. Anyways, yeah, it's basically Little Tokyo. This is like the main Tokyo Mall. Anyways, I don't know if I should end the vlog here, but just stay tuned. I might have a little car action right now. Anyways, you just came back. Well, you guys already know that we came back from the meet. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, if you guys made it to this point of the video, thanks for watching. I will try to post another video this week and hopefully next week. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and share to this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And peace out. I'm out. Deuces.